Yes, you're here. Focus Body Coding Live. Remember, new footwork every day, as we do every day. You see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? First, see the move for yourself. Kick 7. Let's go. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Are you ready? I'll switch the camera. Let's go and do it with me. Let's go. Are you ready? We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We tap. We tap. We tap. We kick to the front. Step and tap. Now with the right. Tap. 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 We kick, step, tap to the front. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Kick and tap. 1, 2, 3. Kick and tap. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Amazing work. Amazing work. So happy that you're with me in today's lovely day here in Iceland. I just remind you, these are universal moves. Cha-ching. This is kick 7. You can do it in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, hip hop, whatever style that you want. Yeah. And I think you are still with me, right? You here? You here? Amazing. Let's do another practice right now, face to face. I want to see you. Are you ready? Now imagine yourself staring in a mirror. But practicing, of course. Let's go. We'll start with the left. Again, let's go. Okay, no excuses. People in the street here, we don't care, right? Let's go. Let's go. We step, we step, we step. Kick, step, tap. Now to the back. Tap, tap, tap. Kick, step, tap. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. A tip with the hands. You can trace your legs with the hand like that. Bam, bam, bam. Let's do it together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. What's the phone? With me enough, this move will go away from the wind. Either way, I remind you, this is universal moves, so you can do them. The wind was a little bit funny. You can do them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, hip hop. By the way, salsa on one and on two, because you can start with the right or with the left. Amazing or not amazing? And if you want to practice with this move, no wind, in the studio, for free, anytime you want, check the link above, to the sides, below, or wherever it might be. To the full tutorial on YouTube, and if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move. The name, Kick 7. Yeah, go ahead and search Kick 7 and do this today. Yes, do this today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Focus Body Coding Live. So, let's see you tomorrow for tomorrow's footwork.